In this video I'm going to show you how to run Python code inside the Atom editor. So Atom is a free and open source code editor developed by GitHub, and it's said to be a hackable text editor, and users are enabled to install plugins called packages to customize the program. We're going to install one of these packages in order to run Python code inside the editor itself. Okay, open the File tab in the top left corner and then click Settings. You can also press Ctrl and Comma on your keyboard. In the Settings view, we will click the Install tab in the menu to enter the package installer. The package we want to install is called script, so go to the search field and search for script. The one we want is right on the top here, so just click the blue install button to start the installation process. And this might take a while, so I will probably skip this part. Okay, so when the script package is installed, we're able to run Python code directly in the editor. So just open a new file, write some code and save it as a Python file. In order to run the code, go to Packages, Script and Run Scripts. You can now see the result in the bottom of the screen here. And instead of going through the Packages menu every time you want to run your code, you could also press Ctrl Shift and B on your keyboard, as I'm doing here. So that's it. You can now run Python code inside the Atom editor.